Hi Social Talk, my name is Natasha and I'm the founder of Social Talk. So today what I want to talk to you about is a very interesting topic, is how to use Instagram stickers and stories for your business. And I'm going to give you 6 ways on how to do that. So let's dive right into it. So the first one is very obvious, is you really want to run a Q&A on your stories with an Instagram question stickers. You can ask any question you want, anything about you, something that people want to know about you, not just in the business, but something behind the scenes. What is it that you like in real life? What is it that's going on in your life? Or something out of the ordinary. So this is one of the ways that you can use Instagram stickers. You can also run this Q&As through the stickers on Instagram stories on a weekly basis. This could be a story of its own that, every Wednesday night that you're coming on with your question and answers, and people can gather up those questions throughout the week and ask them on the week that you are holding your Q&A. Number 2 is you can use them to ask for feedback. What does that mean? Maybe you're running a service or a product and there's something that you might be changing or something that you want to upgrade in your services or service feedback for that matter. Ask that in an Instagram stickers, and people and your clients or your followers will be able to answer those questions for you and give you a better feedback on the product or service that you're offering. Number 3 is you can use it to collect your frequently asked questions. Any business has tons of frequently asked questions that are arising throughout their business day. You know what? Gather up with your followers those frequently asked questions and maybe go live and answer them on one day a week or once every 2 weeks. It really doesn't matter, but it gives you a great platform to collect those questions and address them right away through your website, blog, whatever it is, or through your post on Instagram. So number 4 is you really want to start a conversation with your followers and your clients, for that matter, if they're following your page on Instagram. So how do you do that? Start discussing your topic through questions. You will get a great feedback, something that you want to share about yourself through question stickers, and obviously you really want to get that feedback. So start a conversation with your followers and you will be amazed at how many people will be commenting and how many people will be answering your question through those stickers. And obviously, sometimes you want to get those people involved and get them to follow your page or lead them to somewhere else from your Instagram page, somewhere where you can capture those leads. Number 5 is you're an expert in your field. It doesn't matter what you do, you're an expert because you're in that field. So you really want to share your expertise through, you can use Instagram stickers for that matter. You can share your expertise through the stickers. How do you do that? Is you ask a question, you start a conversation in regards to a certain topic that your business operates in. For example, if you're a realtor, you really want to start a conversation about what do you think about bathroom renovations before selling a home, and you're going to start having those questions answered on a regular basis, and you can do that every week, and you can then show your expertise and share your answer to that question. And maybe the conversation can be started about how many people got it right or how many people got it wrong. Obviously there's really no right answer, everybody's doing sort of their own way, but you're sharing your expertise and starting a conversation along the topic that you are interested in. And number 6, the last point that I really want to make, is you can use these Instagram question stickers to run a contest through your stories. So you can have previous stories to entice people to participate in the contest, obviously stories leading up to the contest, and contest could be a certain question that you ask through this Instagram question sticker. You can ask people to tag their friends so you can gain more followers, and obviously you're going to let them know when that contest is over, and people are going to be looking out for your stories to get the right answer and make sure and see if they want something, whatever you're giving away at your contest. So use it in a sort of more creative way, not just a regular question and answer thing. Use it to entice people to follow you, to start conversations, to win a prize, to share your expertise. There's a ton of ways that a simple question sticker you can use in your business to gain that exposure and overcome that blockage, or maybe cut through the clutter and get your business, your small business, heard in a very different way with conversations through stickers. So here you have 6 great ways on how you can use Instagram stickers for you in your stories to create conversation, ask question and answers, share your expertise, and obviously participate in contests. Hopefully you're going to use it all. We've used them with some of our clients and it's been very, very successful. There's tons of more conversation being created. Actually, people started, that particular client gained more followers, and obviously their stories views went through the roof. So I really hope you're going to use this, and I really hope you like this video. So click the like button below. We would really like you to share it with your friend, and obviously we really want you to subscribe to our channel because we have tons of this great tips for small businesses coming your way.